Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download project from GitHub. It's quite easy. Firstly, you need to open a browser and in the search bar we just need to type GitHub. Just hit enter and you will see the official site. Just click on that. Once that open, here you need to log in with your account. I already have logged in my account, so I don't have to do that. But the next step in order to download the project is just here we need to type in the search bar what we are looking for. So just search for the project which you want to download. I want to download portfolio websites. Just hit enter. Once you do that, you will see all the relevant results here. Choose the project which you would love to download. I guess this one is good in my case, which says that my self-coded personal website built with React. So once you select the one which you would love to download, just click on that. Open this drop down which says code, and just right here we have the option download zip. So just click on that. Once you do that, you will see that the downloading is started and it is done in my case already. So it will depend on your internet speed and file size. So we need to navigate to the folder where we have downloaded the file, and this is the folder where I have downloaded the file. We need to extract this. For that, hit right click on the option extract all, just right here, click on extract, and yeah, this is the file right here. So you can just open that and do whatever changes you want to do to this file. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can download project from GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.